Statics. Statics, class 10th, exercise 14.3, chapter 14. Question number 3. A life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of ages of 100 policies holders. Calculate the median age if the policies are given only to person having age 18 years onward but less than 60 years. यहाँ पर एक लाइफ इंश्योरेंस एजेंट्स है जो डिफरेंट पॉलिसीज़ को डिफरेंट ग्रुप ऑफ एजेस में बांटता है, जो कि 100 पॉलिसीज़ हैं, और द मीडियम एज द पॉलिसी गिवन ओनली द पर्सन हुज एज इज़ 18 ऑनवर्ड्स, यानी 18 से ऊपर, और 60 साल से नीचे के पर्सनस को पॉलिसीज़ को सेल करता है। तो उसने डिफरेंट एजेस पे डिफरेंट कॉम्युलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी बनाई है। बिलो ऑफ 20 पर उसने कॉम्युलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी 2 एंड 20 to 25 पर कॉम्युलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी 6 है, एंड 25 to 30 पर कॉम्युलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी 24 है, एंड 30 to 35 पर कॉम्युलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी 45 है, 35 to 40 पर कॉम्युलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी 78 है, 40 to 45 पर कॉम्युलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी 89 है, एंड 45 to 50 पर कॉम्युलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी 92 है, एंड 50 to 55 पर कॉम्युलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी 98 है, एंड 55 to 60 पर कॉम्युलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी 100 है। सो वी फाइंड नंबर ऑफ पॉलिसीज होल्डर्स easily. Here 2 below of 20 number of policy holders is 2, एंड 20 to 25 पर पॉलिसी जो सेल हुई है वो उनके नंबर्स हैं 4, 6 minus 2 4, एंड एजेस 25 to 30 पर 30 में 24 minus 6 is 18, एंड 30 to 35 पर 45 minus 24 5 4 5 minus 4 1, and 4 minus 2 2, and 35 to 40 पर 8 minus 5 3, and 7 minus 4 3. Here 40 to 45 पर 8 minus 9 minus 8 1, and 8 minus 7 1, and 45 to 50 group पर 3, and 50 to 55 पर there are 6 policies, and 55 to 16 numbers of ages पे जो पॉलिसी सेल हुई है वो नंबर 2. There are n numbers is 100, so we solve here. Here n number is 100, so n by 2 is 100 oblique 2, which is 50, which is 15 numbers. 50 is number of observation, number of observation, number of observation. So here cumulative frequency CF, cumulative frequency in median is CF is below 50 is 45, so CF is 45. Here F, the frequency in median f is 33 and corresponding class size 35 to 40, lowest term, lowest limit L, which is equal to 35, L is 35, and class size H, class size is 40 minus 35, which comes 5. Class size is 5. Here class size 5. So we gathering all these here, n by 2, which is 50, CF is equal to 45, F is 33, and L is 35, H is equal to 5. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF oblique F into H. This is median formula. So we put the values and find his answer. So here L plus n by 2 minus CF oblique F into H is equal to median. So here L is 35, n by 2 is 50, CF is 45, F is 33, H is 5. So here we solve it. 50 minus 45 is 5 upon 33 into my 5 plus 35. So 5 5 is 35 oblique 33 plus 35. We divide it. 33 divide 25 0.0. So 33 7 ja 231 2, so 19 point gives 0. Again 5 times comes 165, comes 25, and point gives zeros, and 7 times we get 231. So here median 35 plus 0.757. So answer is that 35.757. So this is median. Therefore median is 35.76 years. So we solve it. Here, question number 4. The length of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to the nearest millimeters, and the data obtained is respectively in flowing tables, length in mm and number of leaves. The length 118 to 126, number of leaves 3, 127 to 135, number of leaves 5, 136 to 144, number of leaves 9, 145 to 153 is 12, 154 to 162 5, 163 to 171 is 4, and 172 to 118 80 is 2. So their given data their given data does not continuous interval continuous intervals. It can be observed that the difference between two class interval is 1. Therefore 1 by 2 divide 0.5. So we add upper limit (0.5) and subtract lower limits 0.5. So respectively here given data does not continuous intervals. It can be observed that the difference between two class interval is 1. So therefore 1 by 2 0.5. So we add upper limit 0.5 and subtract lower limits 0.5 respectively. Here 118 to 126 and 126 and 127 is differences 1. So हम इसको मैच कराएंगे. Here 117.5 लोअर लिमिट्स माइनस किया, अपर लिमिट्स में ऐड किया 126.5. So 126.5 से 135.5. So 135.5. So 144.5 and 144.5. So 153.5 and 153.5 say 162.5 and 162.5 to 171.5 and 171.5 say 180.5. These are tables and number of leaves given here 3, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4, 2. Cumulative frequency is that 3 plus 5 8, 8 and 9 17, 17 plus 12 29, 29 plus 5 34, 34 plus 4 38, and 38 plus 2 is 40. There n number is 40. So we easily understand the table. Understand tables. So we solve, find the median. Here median is that here n number of observation n is the number of observation which is 40. So n by 2 n 40 by 2 which is 20. Here CF cumulative frequency of median is cumulative frequency below 20 से below जो है हमारा cumulative frequency CF is 70, F is 12 and lower limit is this. So CF is 70, F the frequency of median is 12 and lower limits is 144.5, lower limit is 144.5, frequency is 12, H class size is 153 minus 0.5 minus 144.5 which is equal to 9. This is equal to 9. So we find the median here. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF oblique F into match. So here n by 2 is 20, CF is equal to 17, F is equal to 12, L 144.5, H is 9. So put these values here. L is 144.5, n by 2 is 20, CF is 17, F is 12 or H is 9. 9. So here कॉम्युलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी को हम निकालते हैं। हेयर 14 and 6 6 4 10 0 and 2 5 70 70 plus 60 130 and 6 8 3 11 216 and 6 4 10 0 8 9 290 and 2 9 6 15 5 1 352 and 8 2 10 0 5 5 10 0 400. There n is 400. So here n is equal to number of observation number of observation is 400. So n by 2, 400 divided by 2 get 200. Here n by 2 is 200. Cumulative frequency is that C cumulative frequency in median, cumulative frequency in median 200 less than CF 130 and frequency in medium frequency is 86 and class size corresponding class size is 3000 to 35,100 corresponding class size. Here lower limit L which is equal to 3000 and class size is 3500 minus 3000 is equal to 500. So we given here n by 2 is equal to 200, CF 130, F 86 and lower L is equal to 3000 and H is equal to 500. So we calculate the median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF oblique में F into में H. So here L is our 3000, n by 2 is 200, CF is 130, F is equal to 86, H is equal to 500. So here we solve it. Again back side, 3000 plus 200 minus 130 oblique में 86 into में 500. So median 3000 plus 17 oblique में 86 multiply 500, 7 5 are 35, 100 oblique में 86 plus 3000. So we divide 86 divide by 35, 100. So 86 fours are 344. Here comes 6 0. So 40. Here 7 5 35, 35,000. So 86 6 are 516, 84.0. Again 86 multiply 9 comes 774, and here 660 again multiply by 7. So here median is equal to 3000 plus 406.97. So median is 3406.97. Hence the median lifetime of neon bulb is 33,406.97. Here, hence the median of lifetime is neon bulb is 3,406.97. So we solve it. हमने क्वेश्चन को बहुत अच्छे से समझा. Here again repeat, 400 नियॉन बल्ब्स की लाइफ टाइम दिखाई गई है. हमने इसका कॉम्युलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी निकाला. N is 400, N by 2 is 200, CF is 130, F frequency is 86, class size is 3000 to 3500, lower limit is 3000, H class size is 500. So we put the values: N by 2, CF, F 86 and L 3000 and H. So we put the values. So solve out 3000, 200 minus 130, 70, 70 multiplied by 5 35,000, 86 हमने इसको डिवाइड किया. So our median is 3000 plus 400 697. So hence median of lifetime of neon bulb is 3406.97. So हमने इसको बहुत अच्छे से समझा और थैंक यू watching these videos.